Hello, my name's Charlotte and I'm part of the team at Front Page Advantage, and today I will be doing an example of one of our free SEO health check videos. To do this, we will go through some of the basic SEO elements of your website to see where your site is currently at and what we might be able to do to improve it. Firstly, we'll look at your website's current search rankings on SEMrush. We can see that your website currently ranks in Google for at least one search term, which is good. The search term is USB LED backlight, which is currently in position number 73. This helps us show that there is nothing fundamentally wrong with the website which may stop it ranking in Google altogether. We will then do a site search. This shows the website pages that have been indexed or included in Google's index, and as you can see at the moment there are 1,300 results indexed in Google, and this again helps us to look at if there is anything fundamentally wrong with the site. We will then look to see if Google Analytics is implemented, and we can see here that it is implemented. So that's a great tool to have because it's free and an easy way to see how people are finding and engaging with the website to see the success of your SEO campaign if you do one. The next thing we'll look at is your website's page titles and meta descriptions. These are a very important part of SEO because they give context to the content on your site. They're used by search engines to understand what your page is about, and the types of words you use will have an effect on the types of search queries that you're likely to rank for. The page titles can be seen in the browser bar here. You currently have the default page titles for your site. However, to optimize these, it's best to avoid keeping the default titles and to think about what people might be searching for when they're looking for your website and products, and writing the page titles accordingly. The next thing we'll do is look at your meta descriptions. These are the section of writing underneath your URL on the search results. This bit here. These don't directly affect your ranking in search results, however they're important for users to want to click to your site from the search results. It is also important that they're optimized and well written, and it's important to have meta descriptions for every page and to give the user the best description of that page. We can see that for your website that you don't have any meta descriptions at the moment. This means that Google or the search engine you're using takes the description from your page, meaning you lose control over what is written and shown to potential customers. The next thing we'll look at is the H1 tags. These are heading tags that are found on the website, hopefully on each page. They're another thing Google considers as part of its ranking algorithm. They're featured directly on the website and displayed as headings. You have some H1 tags at the moment. As you can see here, it says feature products. But we would recommend that you have one H1 tag on every page of your website. This is to maximize visibility in search as well as to help Google understand what your page is about. The last thing we'll do is run your site through a mobile friendly test and mobile speed test. The free tools from Google to make sure your site is seen as mobile friendly to those using it. So as you can see, your site is currently seen as mobile friendly, which is good. However, it does show that there are some page loading issues. This affects how Google sees and understands your pages, so fixing this can help Google understand your page better, leading to improvement in performance. Then we'll go to the mobile speed test. This is a similar test in which you can put in your URL here, and it will run the test to see how quickly your website is loading on mobile. You can see that your site is currently 7.3 seconds on 4G, which is rated slow. This could be something you look at in the future, especially if a lot of your traffic comes from mobile devices. That's the end of our example SEO health check video. If you have any questions or are interested in an SEO health check for your company, then do contact us.